নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল মোৰ নাম কুলদীপ শৰ্মা আৰু আজি মই আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰলৈ লৈ আহিছোঁ মোষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ ফৰ দ্য মান্থ অফ এপ্ৰিল 2021 আহক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ Legendary actor Rajnikant to be honored with 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Award. The legendary actor Rajnikant has been selected to be honored with the 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Award, the highest film honor in India. So, Southৰ খুব popular actor Rajnikantok Dadasaheb Phalke Award দিয়া হ'ব এবাৰ. Rajnikant is the 12th South Indian actor to get this award. তেওঁ ইয়াৰ আগতে পদ্মভূষণ আৰু পদ্মবিভূষণ পাইছে ঠিক আছে নেক্সট হ'ল Facebook and Google to build new cables under the sea called Echo and Bifrost. So Facebook and Google are planning to build new subsea cables from the US to Singapore and Indonesia. নাম কি হ'ল Echo and Bifrost to improve the connections between Asia Pacific region and North America. Asia Pacific আৰু North America লগত connectivity improve কৰিবলৈ এটো বনাব কোনে কোনে বনাব Facebook and Google. Next হ'ল the government of India declares 14th April birthday of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as public holiday. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar birthday 14th April যেটো আমি আম্বেদকাৰ জয়ন্তী বুলি অলৰেডি সেলিব্ৰেট কৰো হেতু এজ এ পাবলিক হলিডে ডিক্লেয়াৰ কৰা হ'ল Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the sculptor of the Indian Constitution and the country already celebrates his birthday as Ambedkar Jayanti every year ঠিক আছে Next hole, West Central Railway become first fully electrified Indian railway zone. So, hudibo pare which railway zone has become first fully electrified railway zone? Etu hobo West Central Railways. Next hole, International Day of Conscience. The United Nations declares 5th April as International Day of Conscience. This day serves to remind people to self-reflect, follow their conscience and to do right things. So 5th April to International Day of Conscience hisabe declare korile United Nations. Next ahile apunar PhonePe becomes first player to cross 1 billion transaction mark on UPI. So 1 billion transaction mark cross kora prothom apunar service hol PhonePe ঠিক আছে Next is India's biggest floating solar power plant to be set up in Telangana. So hudibo pare say where is India's biggest floating solar power plant to be set up Telanganat banai ase Ramagundam in Telangana. It is expected to be open in May 2021. The cost of the project has been estimated as rupees 423 crores. The power plant will have 4.5 lakh photovoltaic panels. So biggest floating solar power plant India's Telangana. Next is IIT Kanpur develops touch sensitive watch for visually impaired. So jihokol luke nedekhe sokudit tekhethokolor karone IIT Kanpur touch sensitive watch develop korise to sense the time accurately. The watch was developed by Professor Siddharth Panda and Vishwaraj Srivastav of IIT Kanpur. ঠিক আছে নেক্সট আহক আমি Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Major Sinha inaugurates Tulip Festival. So Tulip Festival ক'ত হয় Tulip Festival Jammu and Kashmirত হয় Jammu and Kashmirৰ Jawarwan Mountains ঠিক আছে The 5-day long Tulip Festival is Asia's largest tulip garden at the foothills of Jawarwan Hills on the banks of world famous Dal Lake in Srinagar. Dal Lakeor ওচৰত জৱাৰবান মাউণ্টেইনছৰ ফুটহিলছত এই ফেষ্টিভেলটো ইনাগুৰেট কৰা হয় টিউলিপ ফেষ্টিভেলছ এছিয়াছ লাৰ্জেষ্ট টিউলিপ গাৰ্ডেন নেক্সট আহক আমি নেশ্যন চেলিব্ৰেটছ 58th এডিশ্যন অফ নেশ্যনেল মেৰিটাইম ডে চ' নেশ্যনেল মেৰিটাইম ডে কোনদিনা অবজাৰ্ভ কৰা হয় 5th এপ্ৰিল এভৰি ইয়াৰ চ' 5th এপ্ৰিল নেশ্যনেল মেৰিটাইম ডে বুলি অবজাৰ্ভ কৰা হয় মনত ৰাখিব নেক্সট হ'ল ট্ৰাইফেড launches Sankalp Se Siddhi Village and Digital Connect Drive. So Trifed মানে কি Tribal Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Trifed has launched Sankalp Se Siddhi Village and Digital Connect Drive. ঠিক আছে Next World Health Day observed globally on 7th April. So 7th April is observed as Global Health Awareness Day. So health related day kita monot rakhibo khub important hoy jihetu pandemic hoy ase so upcoming exams ot enikwa day bur hudibo jenikwa apunar World Health Day 7th April. Next is Jeff Bezos tops Forbes annual billionaire list 4th year in a row. So Jeff Bezos kun Amazon or founder hoy Jeff Bezos. He has topped Forbes annual world's billionaire list for the 4th consecutive year. India's richest billionaire Mukesh Ambani ranked at 10th position with a total net worth of USD 84.5 billion. So Jeff Bezos top hole কিছুদিন আগতে Elon Musk top হৈছিলে so next আমি চাও India completes arc of world's highest railway bridge in Jammu and Kashmir. Important hoy khub. World's highest railway bridge code boni ase. Code construct hoy ase. Jammu and Kashmir construct hoy ase. The construction of the arc of the world's highest railway bridge that soars 359 meters above the bed of the Chenab River in Jammu and Kashmir was completed. Bridge to 1.3 kilometers dikhol hobo and it will boost connectivity to the Kashmir Valley and it is being constructed at the cost of 1486 crores as part of Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla railway link. So next sahogami Geeta Press president Radheshyam Khemka passes away. The president of Geeta Press Radheshyam Khemka passed away. He is credited for taking the Sanatan literature to the masses. Geeta Press is world's largest publisher of Hindu religious texts. So Geeta Press আপোনালোকে নাম শুনিছে সাগে Ramayan Mahabharat Gita আমাৰ গ্ৰন্থসমূহ পাবলিশ কৰা আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ পাবলিশিং হাউস ঠিক আছে Next Dr. Harshvardhan and Arjun Munda launches Tribal Health Collaborative Annamaya. The Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan and the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs Sri Arjun Munda jointly launched Annamaya, the Tribal Health Collaborative on 7th April 2021. The initiative is supported by Piramal Foundation and Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Bill Gates Foundation hoy Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Next hole FIFA suspends Pakistan and Chad football federations. The FIFA has suspended the Pakistan Football Federation and Chadian Football Association with immediate effect due to claims of outside interference. So Pakistan Football Federation suspend korile FIFA. Next sahogami a book titled Exam Warriors updated version released by PM Modi. The updated version of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's book named Exam Warriors was launched. So Prime Minister book khonor naam ki boli khudile ki likhibo Exam Warriors. The book gives out various suggestions to both students and parents to deal with examination pressure and stress. The book raised the awareness on topics like mental health, the role of technology, and time management. So PM Modir bookখনৰ নাম কি Exam Warriors মনত ৰাখিব ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় Next চাও Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal launches Nano Sniffer. The Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank launched the world's first microsensor-based explosive trace detector (ETD) called Nano Sniffer. ঠিক আছে Next আমি চাওঁ হক Indian Army officer Bharat Pannu breaks 2 Guinness World Records. So Bharat Pannu has earned 2 Guinness World Records in cycling. So Leh to Manali 472 distance তেখেতে cover কৰিছে in 35 hours and 25 minutes only. So Guinness World Record বনাইছে Next is Singapore become first country to ratify Mega Free Trade Agreement RCEP. Singapore ratified the Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership RCEP agreement, the world's largest free trade agreement led by China. So, সুধিব পাৰে যে which country is the first country to ratify Mega Free Trade Agreement RCEP? সেইটো হ'ব আপোনাৰ ছিংগাপুৰ Next চাওঁ হক আমি Ramesh Pokhriyal launches implementation plan Sarthak. So Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal chaired a high-level meeting on the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 and released an implementation plan for school education called Students and Teachers Holistic Advancement Through Quality Education or short format Sarthak. কোনে লঞ্চ কৰিছে Ramesh Pokhriyal Education Minister Next চাও Academic Ranking of World's University 2020 published So World's Academic Ranking publish কৰা হৈছে The top Indian institute in this ranking is the IISc Bangalore which is not even in the top 100 list. The best higher education institute IISc Bangalore is in the category of 501 to 600. So 500 পৰা 600 ভিতৰত IISc Bangalore আছে First হল আপোনাৰ Harvard Next Gunit Monga conferred with Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters honor. Acclaimed filmmaker Gunit Monga to be conferred with the honor of the Knights of the Order of Arts and Letters. So Gunit Monga Knight of the Order of Arts and Letters honor pale. So United Arab Emirates UAE names its first female astronaut. The United Arab Emirates named the next 2 astronauts in its space program on 10th April, including the country's first female astronaut, Noura Al Matrosi, is the UAE's first female astronaut. ঠিক আছে Next, Sanskrit learning app Little Guru unveiled in Bangladesh. So new app eta ulaise Sanskrit learning app নামটো হল আপোনাৰ Little Guru ঠিক আছে মনত ৰাখিব Next হল Maharashtra gets India's first floating LNG storage and regasification unit. India's first floating storage and regasification unit has arrived at H Energy's Jaigarh terminal in the Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra on the west coast of India. First floating LNG storage and regasification unit. Next, lost golden city of Luxor discovered by archaeologists in Egypt. সুধিব পাৰে important হয় The lost golden city of Luxor discovered by archaeologists in Egypt. The 3,400-year-old royal city was built by Amenhotep III abandoned by his heretic son Akhenaten and contains stunningly preserved remains. So নতুন city এখন পোৱা গৈছে 3400-year-old city নামটো হ'ল Luxor. Next হ'ল Piyush Goyal launches eSanta, an electronic marketplace for aqua farmers. Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has inaugurated eSanta, an electronic marketplace to provide a platform for connecting aqua farmers and buyers. eSanta aims to raise income, lifestyle, self-reliance, quality levels, traceability of aqua farmers. So aqua farmers or karne launch kora hoise eSanta electronic marketplace hoy. ঠিক আছে Next চাওক আমি India signs a memorandum of understanding with France for cooperation on Gaganyaan mission. So the Indian Space Agency ISRO has signed an agreement with the Space Agency of France for cooperation in its first human space mission Gaganyaan. So first human space mission or naam ki Gaganyaan মনত ৰাখিব খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় So the France Space Agency will train Indian flight physicians and Capcom mission control teams at French facilities. The Gaganyaan orbital spacecraft project was kicked off in August 2018. It's originally intended to send astronauts from Indian soil to mark the 75th anniversary of India's independence in 2022. So mission tour naam Gaganyaan hoy mono rakhibo. Niti Aayog launches Poshan Gyan, a digital repository on health nutrition. So Niti Aayog in partnership with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and Center for Social and Behavior Change, Ashoka University launched called Poshan Gyan, a national digital repository on health and nutrition. So Poshan Gyan boli website eta launch korise digital repository on health and nutrition. Kune korise Niti Aayog. Next hol Ahar Kranti mission launched by Health Ministry. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has launched Ahar Kranti. So Ahar Kranti mission to launch kora hoise to spread awareness about nutrition. Many in the country are still malnourished. The root cause of this strange phenomenon is lack of nutritional awareness. So study দেখুৱাই India produces as much as 2 times the amount of calories it consumes. Still বহুত khini percentage of population is still malnourished. So etu uneven kyo hoy hetu saise. Keeping this in mind, Ahar Kranti has been launched with the motto of Uttam Ahar, Uttam Vichar, or good diet, good cognition. Next, World Heritage Day observed globally on 18th April. So 18th April is observed as World Heritage Day. Etu bosorer theme to ki asile complex pasts, diverse futures. 18th April is celebrated as World Heritage Day. Next, India's Mirabai Chanu creates a new clean and jerk world record in Tashkent. Mirabai Chanu is set a new world record in the women's 49 kg clean and jerk with a massive 119 kg lift at Asian Weightlifting Championship in Tashkent. So world record korise Mirabai Chanu in the 49 kilogram clean and jerk event. ঠিক আছে Next, Henley Passport Index 2021 released. Amid the rising COVID-19 cases, the subsequent restriction on travel overseas, when many countries are banning individuals from worst hit nations, the Henley Passport Index on April 17 released its list of the most powerful passports, India stands at number 84 on the list. Japan hole number 1, India hole number 84. Next hole, the Christmas Pig, J.K. Rowling to release new children's book in October. So J.K. Rowling আপোনালোকে জানেই চাগে সবেই হ্যারি পটাৰ ফেমাস হ্যারি পটাৰ বুকৰ ৰাইটাৰ সো তেও নতুন বুক এখন উলিয়াইছে দ্য ক্ৰিসমাছ পিগ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় মনে ৰাখিব The story is about a boy named Jack and his toy door pig who goes missing on Christmas Eve. The book is set to be released worldwide on October 12. Christmas Pig is Rowling's first children's novel since Harry Potter. So Harry Potter series to শেষ pisot ekhon first children's novel by J.K. Rowling, Christmas Pig. Next, ITBP Water Sports and Adventure Institute inaugurated in Tehri. Water Sports and Adventure Institute has been established by the Indo-Tibetan Border Police in Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. ঠিক আছে ইনাগুৰেট কোনে কৰিছে তীৰথ সিং ৰাৱত and Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju. Next চাওক Priyanka Mohite becomes first Indian woman to scale Mount Annapurna. Important hoy. Priyanka Mohite from Satara in western Maharashtra has scaled Mount Annapurna, the 10th highest mountain peak in the world, becoming the first Indian woman climber to achieve the feat. Mount Annapurna is a massif in the Himalayas located in Nepal that includes one peak over 8,000 meters and is considered to be one of the toughest mountains to climb. So kune climb korise who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Annapurna? Priyanka Mohite. Next, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter takes flight on Mars. NASA successfully flew its tiny helicopter Ingenuity on Mars, the first powered flight on another planet, and a feat to top engineer call our Wright brothers moment. So, Ingenuity helicopter যেটো মাৰ্চত আছে so এটো first flight ললে ঠিক আছে data and images from the autonomous flight were transmitted 173 million miles back to Earth, where they were received by NASA's array of ground antennas and processed more than 3 hours later. Next, International Mother Earth Day, 22nd April. So 22nd April is observed globally as Earth Day or International Mother Earth Day. Important hoy মনত ৰাখিব theme to কি আসলে এবাৰ the theme of 2021 International Mother Earth Day is restore our earth. Next, Tamil Nadu's Arjun Kalyan becomes 68th Indian Grandmaster. So Tamil Nadu's Arjun Kalyan became India's 68th chess grandmaster when he crossed the 2500 ELO mark after beating Dragan Kosik in the 5th round of GM Grandmaster round robin. Vishwanathan Anand was India's first grandmaster in 1988. ঠিক আছে Next, Australia announces partnership with India for Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative. Australia has announced a grant of rupees 81.2 million under the Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative. ঠিক আছে So Australia has announced partnership with India for Indo-Pacific Ocean Initiative. Next, NASA's Perseverance Mars rover extracts first oxygen from red planet. According to NASA, a toaster-sized experimental instrument on board Perseverance called the Mars Oxygen In Situ Resource Utilization Experiment, in short MOXIE, accomplished the task. Mars's atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide. So MOXIE works by separating oxygen atoms from carbon dioxide molecules, which are made up of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. So Perseverance rover re first oxygen extract korise from Mars. Next, RBI allows commercial banks to pay up to 50% of pre-COVID dividends. So the Reserve Bank of India has allowed commercial banks to pay dividends on equity shares for financial year 2021 from the profit for the fiscal ended March 31st March 2021, subject to certain conditions and limit. The new notification of RBI allows commercial banks to pay dividends not more than 50% of the amount determined as per dividend payout ratio prescribed. ঠিক আছে, so next চাও হক আমি Justice Nuthalapatti Venkata Ramana takes oath as 48th CGI. So 48th Chief Justice of India কোন হল? নুথালাপাট্টি ভেংকটা ৰামানা. ইয়াৰ আগতে কোন আছিলে? শৰদ অৰবিন্দ বোবডে. ঠিক আছে. Justice Ramana was administered the oath of office by President Ramnath Kovind at a brief ceremony held at Rashtrapati Bhavan. He succeeds Justice Sharad Arvind Bobde, who demitted office on April 23, 2021. Justice Ramana will serve as the Chief Justice till 26th August 2022. Next, 19th India-French naval exercise Varuna begins. Important hoy India-French naval exercise to ki boli koa hoy? Varuna boli koa hoy. The 19th edition of India and French Navy bilateral exercises Varuna 2021 conducted in the Arabian Sea. Quote hoy Arabian Sea hoy. From 25th to 27th April 2021, during the 3-day exercise, the units of both the navals will undertake high-tempo naval operations at sea, which will include advanced air defense and anti-submarine exercises, intense fixed and rotary wing flying operations, tactical maneuvers, surface and anti-air weapon firings underway, replenishment and other maritime security operations. So India and French naval exerciser naam ki Varun. Next, PM Modi launches extension of Swabhimta scheme across India. Swamitva. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi launched the distribution of e-property cards under the Swamitva scheme on National Panchayat Raj Day. National Panchayat Raj Day ketia? April 24th. ঠিক আছে. So full form to কি হল? Survey of villages and mapping with improvised technology in village areas. Next, 93rd Academy Awards or Oscar Awards were announced. The 93rd Academy Oscar Awards ceremony, also known as Oscar Awards, took place in Los Angeles. The awards is presented annually by Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science. So important ketaman monot rakhibo. Best Picture kune paise? Nomadland. Best Director Sheol Zhao, Nomadland. Best Actress Anthony Hopkins. Best Actress Frances McDormand, Nomadlandor karone. Anthony Hopkins for The Father. ঠিক আছে, বিশেষকৈ বেষ্ট পিকচাৰটোৱে সুধিলে Nomadland মনত ৰাখিব. India joins rescue operations for missing Indonesian submarine KRI Nanggala 402. So the Indian Navy has joined the rescue operations for the Indonesian submarine and its 53% crew that went missing more than 4 days ago. Indonesia had sought assistance from India after its 44-year-old submarine KRI Nanggala 402 went missing while conducting a torpedo drill north of the island of Bali. ঠিক আছে so next চাওক আমি China names its first ever Mars rover Zhurong. So China's first ever Mars rover নাম কি Zhurong. Next, Uttar Pradesh won E-Panchayat Award. So Uttar Pradesh government won the E-Panchayat Puraskar 2021 ranking first in category 1. It was followed by Assam and Chhattisgarh. So Assam second hole, Chhattisgarh third hole. Oh sorry, Assam and Chhattisgarh in second position while Odisha and Tamil Nadu stood third. So Uttar Pradesh first, Assam and Chhattisgarh second, Odisha and Tamil Nadu third. E-Panchayat Awards. Next, China launches robot prototype Neo 1 to clear space debris. The Chinese government has launched a robot prototype named as Neo 1 in the Earth's low orbit on its Long March 6 rocket. The 30 kg robot prototype has been developed by Shenzhen-based space mining startup Origin Space. Space debrisবোৰ ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিবলৈ লঞ্চ কৰা হ'ব এই ৰবটটো Neo 1. Next, DRDO conducts maiden trial of Python 5 air-to-air missile using LCA Tejas. So DRDO মানে কি full form to Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO successfully test fired the 5th generation Python 5. Python 5 কি হয় air-to-air missile from Tejas aircraft. Tejas is India's indigenously developed light combat aircraft. মনত ৰাখিব দেই নামটো Tejas. Next, Kirti Karanth become first Indian woman to get Wild Innovator Award. So Dr. Kirti K. Karanth, Chief Conservation Scientist at Bangalore-based Center for Wildlife Studies, has been chosen as the first Indian and Asian woman for the 2021 Wild Innovator Award. ঠিক আছে Next, Ayushman Bharat Divas 30 April. So 30 April observe করা হয় Ayushman Bharat Divas হিসাবে